lots of things which get you excited, and there are just those few things in life where you are really overjoyed. Today is one of those very special days where I have the privilege and pleasure to welcome respected colleagues and my dear children for the yoga quiz competition. It is rightly said, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So one must endeavor to exercise often in order to always look healthy and live longer. Yes, it is possible only through yoga. What is yoga? Yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty of mind, body and soul. To begin this auspicious occasion, let's first offer the prayer to Almighty by chanting Om. I request everyone to sit in attention position and close your eyes and chant as the audio starts. Audio. Thank you very much. Open your eyes. Let me introduce the four teams sitting on the stage. The first team named as Raj Yoga, second team Karma Yoga, third team Bhakti Yoga and the fourth team is the young Jan Yoga. Congratulations and all the best. The rules for the quiz are as follows. The contest will comprise of 4 rounds. In first round, 2 questions, multiple choice questions will be asked. Second and third rounds are the visual rounds and accordingly you will be informed about the required information. Fourth round is the rapid fire round. The answering time will be 10 seconds. Every correct answer will fetch you 10 points. Further, there is no negative marking. The decision of the quiz master will be final. I hope everything is clear and with every round required information will be provided to you. Please fasten your seat belts. Here comes the first round of questions. 2 multiple choice questions will be asked from each team. First question for Raj Yoga team. Who first synthesized Western values with Indian tradition to create a newly modernized form of yoga? Swami Vivekanand, B.K.S. Iyengar, Richard Hittelman and Pierre Bernard. 10 seconds only.
Swami Vivekanand.
Absolutely correct. Swami Vivekanand. So please 10 marks. The second set of questions. One of the most prominent health effects of yoga is faster growth in children, stress reduction, cancer cure. Sorry. The question was for Raj Yoga team. 2 questions, a set of 2 questions. Yeah, answer. Absolutely correct. B, stress reduction. Sir, 10 marks again to Raj Yoga team. The second question. Third question is for Karma Yoga team. What is cobra pose called in Sanskrit? Bhujangasana. Absolutely correct. Bhujangasana. Next, fourth question for again Karma Yoga team. According to Hatha Yoga, who is the founder of yoga? Hiranyagarbha, Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva, Patanjali. Patanjali. Correct. Patanjali. Again 10 marks to Karma Yoga team. Third question to Bhakti Yoga. In Raj Yoga, which is the third step?
Samadhi.
A. Samadhi.
Correct. Samadhi. Question number 6 again for Bhakti Yoga team. Which of these is a yoga position? Cheese, chest or mouse, simple deaf dog, single-legged pigeon.
C. Single-legged pigeon.
Correct. Single-legged pigeon is the correct answer. Wait for a while, beta. Next question for Jan Yoga. Bikram Yoga is practiced in a very hot room. What is the minimum recommended temperature for this style of yoga? A. 35 degrees Celsius, B. 37.7 degrees Celsius, C. 40.5 degrees Celsius.
B. 37.7.
Wrong answer. It is C. 40.5 degrees Celsius. That is the minimum recommended temperature. Next question for Jan Yoga team. Which asana is useful for the treatment of spondylitis? Uttanasana, Singhasan, Makarasan, Padmasan.
C. Makarasan.
C. Makarasan is correct answer. 10 marks to Jan Yoga team.
First round is over, and Praveen sir, please announce the scores.
Definitely, Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga scores 20 each, and Jan Yoga scores 10 marks.
Now let's begin the second round. It is the visual round. In this round, you have to name the asanas. Rules are same. Sorry, it is the buzzer round. Show.
BKS Iyengar.
Absolutely correct answer. BKS Iyengar. Next.
Jaggi Vasudev.
Correct answer. Jaggi Vasudev.
Maharishi Mahesh.
Maharishi Mahesh. Correct answer. Next.
Swami Shivanand.
Swami Shivanand. Absolutely correct answer. Now, moving on to the third round. In this round, you have to identify the asanas. After looking at the asanas, I am going to ask you a question. Okay? Yes. Identify the asana. This question is for Bhakti Yoga team. Which asana is this?
Vrikshasana.
This is the Vraksh asana. Correct. 10 marks to Bhakti Yoga. Next question is for Jan Yoga asana. Which asana is this?
Veerbhadrasana.
This is Veerbhadra asana. Which?
First.
This is the Veerbhadra asana first. Correct answer. 10 marks to Jan Yoga team. Now the question comes to Raj Yoga team. In this, you have to identify as well as you have to tell the benefits of this asana. What are the benefits of this asana?
Veerbhadrasana third.
Veerbhadra asana third. And what are the benefits?
It improves balance, posture and concentration.
Memory and concentration. Correct. 10 marks to Raj Yoga team. Next question. Identify the asana.
Parvokanasana.
Can you tell me the spelling?
Parvokan.
Parvokan asana. Parvokanasana. Parvokan asana. Absolutely correct answer. Please sit down. Let's move forward. Cross your fingers and lead yourself to win. Now the last and final round of the quiz, that is the rapid fire round. 3 questions will be asked from each team. My first question is from Jan Yoga team. बेटा बीच बीच में इसको रोक दिया करो. बेटा वीडियो रोक. Mahayogi in Hindu mythology.
Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna. Correct answer. You will get 10 seconds to give the answer. The next question is, the logo reflects the essence of yoga. What is that? Essence of yoga.
Peace and harmony.
Harmony and peace. Correct answer. Next question. The credit of practicing Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom goes to
Baba Ramdev.
Swami Ramdev. Correct answer. 30 marks to Jan Yog team. Next set of questions is for Raj Yog team. What does folding of both hands in the logo symbolize?
It symbolizes that yoga is the union of individual souls with that of universal consciousness, and it symbolizes peace.
It is okay, but it means union, which reflects the union of individual consciousness with that of universal consciousness. Okay, sit down. We'll give the decision afterwards. Which asana is called the king of asanas?
Shirsasana.
Asana. Who wrote the book Light on Yoga?
BKS Iyengar.
BKS Iyengar. Correct answer. 20 marks to Raj Yog team. Next set of questions is to Karm Yoga team. Who will give the answer? Alright. What does the brown leaf symbolizes in the logo of yoga?
It symbolizes the earth element.
Correct answer, 10 marks. Next question. Who is the author of the magnum opus Yoga Sutra?
Patanjali.
It is Patanjali. Correct answer. Dhanur Asana depicts a shape of
Cow.
bowl. Correct answer. 30 marks. Next set of questions for Bhakti Yoga team. Who is going to give the answer? Beta, what's your name? Vansh. Who is credited as father of modern yoga?
Tirumalai Krishnamacharya.
Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. Correct answer. Who is the founder of the art of living?
Sri Ravi Shankar.
Correct answer. How many poses make up the sun salutation?
12.
Correct answer. 30 marks to Bhakti Yoga team. I hope all the 4 rounds are over. Thank you very much to everyone, and I request Principal Ma'am to shower our blessings and announce the results.